Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Concept Soup here with another video. Today we're just going to do something simple. We like to keep it simple sometimes. Just going to be a simple case swap with upgrades. So what we have here is the customer's PC, and we're going to be moving it over to this lovely NZXT H510 case, which does look quite the part, doesn't it? So we're going to be putting some new parts in, but of course let's go over what they've got. So underneath the hood there, I think it's an AMD Ryzen 2300X, which is like, because this is a pre-build, I imagine. So actually, I think it is. I think it's from AWD. It's also got some RAM in there, but it's the slow sort of 2400 RAM. So we won't be reusing that. We've got an Elgato capture card in there, which has been used previously for recording console gameplay. So we shall pop that back in. We've got an MSI Gaming X 1650 Super, which is ideal for streaming because it's got that Turing NVENC encoder. There's no SSD, but we have got a 1TB hard drive, which is quite handy. An okay power supply, but we're going to be changing this because we want something that's got a bit more longevity, going to support some higher end components later. This customer is intending to pop like something like an RTX 3060 Ti in this later, so it would probably be alright with 500 watts, but I don't like to take a chance with power supplies, particularly ones that have got ketchup and mustardy cables. The motherboard is an ASRock B450M HDV, so Micro ATX, so it might look a little bit lonely in the case, but we'll do our best to make it look nice. And it does support the new Ryzens with a BIOS update, which we'll have to do before taking this PC apart. And the upgrade parts we have is obviously the case. 5600X Ryzen. That's going to be a huge upgrade from what he's got, which is going to be awesome. We've got some nice DDR4 3600 RAM here, 16 gigs. That's going to be sweet. And we've got MWE Bronze 650 watt, which is a Concept Soup favourite for the old budget power supplies. So let's get into updating some BIOS. Cool. So we've got the computer on. We're in the BIOS. We've made our BIOS USB stick. We did that off camera because it's pretty boring. Just go to the website. So we're going to go to the Instant Flash. There you go. Looks like it's already found it. Brilliant. So yeah, we'll not sit through all this. We'll go and do something else and come back once it's done. But it probably won't boot now because after it's done the update, it won't boot because it's got the 2300X in there. So it'll basically just go bleh, and then we'll get on with the case swap. Hopefully everything's going to be hunky-dory, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Let's get this done, baby. So yeah, up and running now in the new case. Definitely a nice aesthetic upgrade.